Hi friends, today you will see in this video very beautiful and unique long wool boots. These boots are made of wool thread, cotton shining thread. It's very beautiful boot and long shoes. This long shoes is use winter season. I hope you will like this video and enjoy this video. This long boot is very colorful and different design. Some long boots is very funny design, and some long boots is very decent. Some long boots I very like. My friends who know the work of crochet will try to make it home. This video giving ideas to create work and do business. I hope you like this video. Your appreciation and support and comments, it's very important for me. I'm very happy to read your comments. All my friends can benefit from this video of them. All those friends who are interested in crochet work can choose colors and designs by watching this video. This video helped them a lot, and my friends who are doing crochet business can also benefit from it. I'm trying to good videos for you. I need your help and appreciation and support. If you like the video, please give me your opinion. Let me know and like my videos, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Bye. Take care.